Designed to prevent the backflow of fluids back into the potable water system. Constructed of a heavy-duty brass body to resist corrosion and provide strength and durability. Features a break-off screw for permanent installation. Maximum pressure of 125 psi and temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Equipped with a self-draining mechanism that allows water to drain upon shut-off. Eastman's Bibb Anti-Siphon vacuum breaker is designed for outdoor hose use. The vacuum breaker is designed to prevent the backflow of fluids back into the potable water system. This vacuum breaker is self-draining and includes a break-off screw for permanent installation. The EZ-FLO Bibb Anti-Siphon vacuum breaker is constructed of a heavy-duty brass body that resists corrosion and provides strength and durability. The vacuum breaker has a maximum pressure of 125 psi and a maximum temperature of 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Features a break-off screw for permanent installation. It is also equipped with a self-draining mechanism that allows water to drain upon shut-off. Certified by the Uniform Plumbing Code, UPC, for product safety. Top reviews from the United States. Great solution and less than anti-siphon valve. Simply attach to hose bib and connect hose. Prevents water from siphoning back into house water supply. Also helps prevent freezing in winter.